Hey guys, hope y'all are doing good. So a couple things. If you look this week, we really don't have that much that's due. Just sent out an announcement though. I know Hurricane Zeta passed through a lot of where we live, so a lot of students had issues with power outages and other storm-related issues. So the assignments that were due last Sunday, discussion board 3 and the review quiz for chapter 9, those were both due Sunday, and I reopened that for you. So if you didn't get a chance to do that, you can have until Wednesday to do that. I want you to go ahead and get it done early in the week so you can move on to this week's stuff. But get those done by Wednesday, November 4th. They'll be open until then. All right. Okay, so other than that, this week we have a couple lectures to watch. You don't have any labs again this week. So remember, if you are one of the students that had a hard time getting your lab kit in at the beginning of the semester, this week would be a really good time to see how many labs you can get done. Since we don't have any new ones due this week, go ahead and knock out as many of them as you can. But make sure that you watch the chapter 10 and chapter 11 lecture videos, all right? Chapter 10 is on meiosis. That's going to be really similar to the cell cycle and mitosis that we did last week. And then chapter 11, probably my favorite lecture that we cover. It talks about genetics, talks about how your traits can be passed on to your kids, how you inherited your traits from your parents. So it's fascinating. It's really interesting to me on that one, okay? So watch both of those lectures. Even though you have two to watch, you do not have any discussion boards or labs or anything like that. And then once you have finished those, make sure that you do the review quiz, which is going to be due Sunday, November 8th. All right? It doesn't sound like that much. Just don't skip on the lectures. I know I'm well aware, I'm not naive, that a lot of you are not watching the lecture videos. Never a good idea. You might see that that's not working for you. Definitely on these two chapters, I would make sure that you watch those. Go back and watch chapter 9 if you didn't watch that too. All right? If you need anything, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.